So I was trying to buy these custom hiking boots online last week.
Oh, yeah.
I found the perfect pair, customized the color, everything was great, and then I hit the checkout page.
Ah, the moment of truth.
It was a disaster. 8 different fields, a password reset, some newsletter sign up I couldn't skip. I closed the tab,
You abandoned the cart.
I abandoned the cart, and that friction, that little wall of inconvenience, is really the silent killer of online retail.
It absolutely is. And you've just hit on the exact problem that our deep dive is all about today.
Okay, so let's get into it.
We're talking about the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP.
UCP. We've got developer guides, some retail summit notes here. What is the fundamental mission of this thing?
At its core, UCP is a new open standard. Think of it as creating a common language
A common language for what?
so that AI systems, like the Gemini app or AI and Google Search, can talk directly to a retailer's back-end system and complete an entire purchase right then and there.
Instantly, without leaving the chat.
Exactly. The need to redirect you to some clunky website just disappears. All that friction we were talking about, gone.
That sounds like a radical shift in where the
Yeah.
actual buying happens, which brings us to this idea of agentic commerce.
Precisely. UCP is so vital because it's built from the ground up to support AI agents that are acting on behalf of the user.
So the AI does everything from discovery to purchase.
The whole 9 yards.
Yeah.
UCP is really the infrastructure that makes that whole vision possible.
But okay, if the transaction never leaves, say, the Google interface, what stops Google from becoming this huge middleman? Aren't businesses losing control?
That's the critical part of the design. They don't. The sources are really clear on this. The retailer remains the merchant of record.
The merchant of record. So they still process the payment, they still own the customer data, the entire relationship.
All of it. They get this expanded reach to shoppers who are ready to buy, but they keep full control.
So the competition shifts. It's less about who has the slickest website and more about who has the best product and the best data.
That's the insight. And this isn't some proprietary Google tool. It's open source, co-designed by huge industry leaders. We're talking Shopify, Etsy, Wayfair, Target, Walmart.
Wow, so the big players are all on board.
And when you see names like Visa, MasterCard endorsing it too, you know it's being built for stability and broad adoption.
Let's make this real. You mentioned a Mono suitcase example. If I ask an AI to find me one, what does that experience look like with UCP?
Okay, so the AI finds it, but then the protocol allows for really cool personalization right in the flow. The merchant could instantly offer you, say, a new member price or enroll you in their loyalty program,
All within the chat.
all within the chat. Then you just complete the purchase with a few taps using Google Pay. You never leave the conversation.
So how does this work on a technical level? It sounds incredibly complex to structure.
Well, it's actually pretty elegant. It's modular. UCP breaks commerce down into these distinct building blocks they call capability.
Like Lego bricks for commerce.
Exactly. So you have mandatory functions like checkout or identity linking, which uses OAuth 2.0 to securely connect accounts. And then you have optional extensions for things like discounts or order tracking.
I see. So for businesses looking to actually integrate this, to connect all those capabilities, that's the first big step.
It is, and getting it right is crucial for this to work.
Right. Which actually brings us to our sponsor. For any businesses ready to embrace these kinds of agentic systems like UCP, this deep dive is sponsored by Embersilk. They can help with AI training, automation, and uncovering where agents could make the most impact for your business.
It's a big lift, and getting some help can make all the difference.
For sure. You can check them out at embersilk.com for all your AI needs.
And looking ahead, that modular design is really the key to the future. The UCP roadmap shows it's built to be completely extensible.
So it works with today's tech and whatever comes next.
Right. It's what they call transport agnostic. It's laying a foundation for a truly unified, instant commerce future.
So what's beyond just shopping for physical goods? What are the next frontiers?
They're already planning for new verticals, things like travel and services, plus much more advanced tools for loyalty programs and personalization. It's all about empowering platforms to enable immediate action for any kind of retailer.
It's a really inspiring push to optimize how we interact with technology. UCP is solving that technical friction, but I think the really provocative thought here is when buying is instant and effortless, What value does a brand need to provide to stay top of mind for an AI agent that's shopping for us?
That's a great question.
It forces brands to elevate their meaning, right? Not just their checkout flow.
It does. It points to a much more meaningful and, I think, a more connected future for commerce, a very optimistic view.
If you enjoyed this deep dive, please subscribe to the show. Hey, leave us a 5-star review if you can. It really does help get the word out. Thanks for tuning in.